Stop scrolling and start earning. I'll show you exactly how I turn my social media traffic into profit using HilltopAds, plus how to grab an extra 5% income boost from your referrals. Let's make your audience pay you. Click the link below to sign up for free, then head over to the referral program. That's where the magic starts. Once you're on this page, you'll see a full breakdown of your referral network, your referral list, their activity levels, and detailed earning stats that update as your team grows. The more active your referrals are, the more consistent your 5% earnings become. Your referrals list shows every publisher who joined HilltopAds through your referral link. Here, you can view their registration details, track who's active, and monitor how your referral network is growing. The statistics page gives you a clear view of your performance. You can group data by referral, location, geo, or date period to see which members and regions bring the best results. It's a quick way to track growth and focus on what earns you the most. In the Links and Promo section, you'll see your custom referral link. That's what you'll use to invite new advertisers and publishers to HilltopAds. All you need to do is copy it, share it on your social channels, and start earning. For now, let's walk through how to add it to your YouTube channel. Simply create engaging content about HilltopAds, share your experience, a quick tutorial, or tips, and encourage your audience to try it out. Make sure to place your referral link in the video description, and you can also add it in the pinned comments so viewers can access it easily and sign up directly through your link. If you don't have time to record a video or prefer not to create one, you can still promote HilltopAds. Simply write a post on your social media sharing the benefits of HilltopAds, your personal tips, or your experience. Then, invite your followers to join using your referral link so they can sign up directly through you. Every time you refer a new member to HilltopAds, you earn 5% of their earnings. The more active your referrals, the more your passive income grows. Another way to monetize your traffic and earn from your audience is by using a direct link. Simply go to Manage Site and Zones, select Direct Link. Creating a new direct link is simple. Click Add Direct Link. Give it a name so you can easily recognize it later. Next, choose a category for your direct link, either mainstream for general, widely acceptable content, or non-mainstream for niche or adult-oriented traffic. Make sure to pick the category that best matches the type of audience you plan to target. Once you've selected the appropriate category, click Add Direct Link to save your settings and create your new link, which is now ready to start monetizing your traffic. To grab your link, just click on the zone code and copy the code that appears. That's your direct link, ready to share with your audience and start earning. The process is the same no matter which social platform you use. Here, I'm demonstrating with a Facebook page. Create a post and paste the direct link you copied. Once posted, your audience can click it and start engaging with the content, helping you monetize your traffic. If the same issue happens to you, it's because Facebook blocks direct links. But don't worry, in the next steps, I'll guide you through a method to bypass this restriction and share your link successfully. You can use a URL shortener to make your direct link shorter and change its format so it can be shared on any social media platform, including Facebook. Simply paste your direct link into the URL shortener, and it will automatically create a clean, shortened version of your link. This new link is easier to share, looks more professional, and can be used across all social media platforms without running into formatting issues. Once generated, you can copy the link and include it in your posts, video descriptions, or comments, making it simple for your audience to click and access the content you're promoting. It really is that simple. Just share your tips, experiences, or even a quick tutorial about HilltopAds with your audience, and you can start earning right away. Whether you post on social media, create videos, or write helpful guides, every piece of content can generate income. Remember, you'll also get 5% of every earning from the members you refer. Scroll down to the comments. Click the link to register your HilltopAds account and start earning today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.